on the last lane over there in the far one. Cheer for Faye, Jemima. She's on the farthest lane, wearing white cap.
Swimming in lane 0, Apostolic South Swim Club. Lane number 1, Velasco Sharknado Swim Club. Lane number 2, Montreve of Argas Dolphin Swim Team. Lane number 3, Ayala of Argas Dolphin Swim Team. Lane number 4, Panawa of Swim Team Aquamarine Swim School. Lane number 5, Campo of Perpetual Sports Academy. Lane number 6, Cross of Green Archer Swim Club. Lane number 7, Grande of Argas Dolphin Swim Team. Lane number 8, Kayas of Compact Hockey Club. And lane number 9, Damas of Olympus Aqua Breaker Swim Club.
Jemima, put on your camera. I'll show it to you. Yay! Jemima's watching.